Unicorn Squad, welcome back. So we are not in my usual setup today because we are doing something a little different. I don't know really, but Stitch told me that I need a different setup. My father told me I need to do the dishes later. Yay. Anyway, Stitch told me we were doing a little different, so I had to get this set up. Great Stitch. Okay, well, you brought me the magical box, and yes, this is a shoebox. Stitch likes this shoebox, so it's his magical box of boxes. That'll be fine. Anyway, thanks, Stitch. Yeah. What do we have here? Ooh, it's a Lego set. Okay, let's readjust the camera and get a closer look. So it looks like it's the Lego Friends Forest Waterfall set. Ooh, and it comes with Andrea and Olivia. Yay, I think I have 2 Andreas. I don't have that many. So I'm excited for new clothes options for her. Let's get into it. Let's go. Okay, so I'm opening this box and I'm clearly struggling. Here are the bags. It only comes with like 2. Those are little platforms. That's a little booklet with all the instructions. Those are the people. It's just great. Yeah. So that's the people. These are the people. I'm bad at their names. I think it's Olivia and Andrea. Yeah. So I'm moving on to building this like scooter thing. And I'm looking for the hook thing. There we go. There we go. There's that. And then I'm turning the page. I don't know what I'm doing. I need the platform because now I'm building the actual waterfall. So this will be great. That is wrong. I put that on wrong. We will see me fix it in a minute. See, look, I had to pry it off. By the way, do you like my nails? They're so pretty. I actually peeled them off after this because they were so annoying. But they're stickers, and I didn't peel off the rest of my nail polish that I had underneath of it. So that's great. That's just great. So you will see that I have some nails that aren't there. Anyway. I don't know. So, the reason why I'm making another one of these is because you guys loved my last Lego set video. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, can you comment down below and tell me how many Lego sets you have and what one is your favorite? Because I love Lego sets. I used to have so many, but then most of them broke because of my sister, but it's fine. Well, we're almost finished with this, actually. This video isn't that long. Wow, I didn't even realize. Do you listen to music? I don't know. I don't really have anything else to say except I almost died. Anyway, except that I'm doing another Squishmallow hunt, and so I'm working on that, so that's great. Yeah. It'll be posted soon. Don't forget to go watch my other Squishmallow hunt, because that was great. You can probably see it on screen, the thumbnail right around somewhere. I don't know. But yeah. Boop, boop, doo, doo, boop, 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 doo, doo, boop. so adorable. And I had an amazing time building it. I do recommend this. It was very relaxing, and I believe it's 4+ or 5+. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!